we are rolling up the yoga mat, which means only one thing. This Food Friday, we're making another delicious, nutritious protein smoothie. I hope you guys are ready. It's nice and healthy and sweet, and it's gonna be so much fun. But first, let's get rid of this thing because we took care of all our workouts right in the morning. It's time to assemble our ingredients and show you guys the recipe of the day. Even though you saw it in the title already, we have a very interesting trail mix in a glass. It sounds sweet, but nutty. It sounds interesting. So I'm just as curious as you guys are. Let's give this a shot. The ingredients we will need: almonds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds. I know, right? But I guess like they have those sesame seed bars, you know, the ones that were like sesame seeds and honey. So yeah, okay. Dried cranberries, pomegranate juice, honey, ice, which we'll do at the end. And I am taking a little tip from the last recipe we made. So if you didn't check that recipe out, go right here. Sea salt. I feel like sea salt in this recipe makes sense because it does add electrolytes, and we just finished working out, so it's not a bad idea to replenish. And if you didn't finish working out, it's still always a good idea to add a little bit of electrolytes into your body. I know when I don't have enough, I start to crave salt and then I eat really bad food. So if you're gonna add a little bit of salt in your food, why not make it in a smoothie, right? It's pretty easy peasy. We mix it all up. 60 grams of almonds. I don't know what 60 grams is, and I don't feel like looking it up. So I'm gonna use my best judgment as to how many almonds I think would go well in this smoothie. I would probably guess a handful. Like, imagine eating this many almonds. Okay, imagine eating that many almonds. It's a bit, right? So that's kind of how I do recipes, especially when I feel too lazy to look up the actual amount. I'll let you know how it turns out. We also need 3 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. Now, I do know what a tablespoon is, so we could do that, or we could just all buy it. I'll eyeball it. Wow, are you okay? We got about 1, we got about 2, and we got about 3. Yeah, a little more for good luck. Okay, we got our nuts. Now oh yeah, I guess sesame seeds is not a nut, it's a seed, but that's gonna be the next one. And how much is this? 1 tablespoon. This one I'm actually going to use a tablespoon. Why? I don't know. I just go with my gut here. Here we go. Tablespoon of sesame seeds. Throw that in there. 3 tablespoons of dried cranberries. Get down on your level here. Look at my hair. It looks good today. I want to try one with you. Oh, look at that little bug. Looks like a little bug. These are good. I don't think there's any added sugar. Right? I hope not. Nope, there is. Alright. 3 tablespoons. We will grab that spoon again. Let's add a generous amount of 3 tablespoons. Heaping tablespoons. Next up, we got 3 tablespoons of pomegranate juice. Should we use the spoon? What do you guys think? I'm hearing a lot of yeses. I'm hearing a lot of no's. I think we'll have to go with no. Alright. Oh, geez. Okay. That was not graceful. Just wipe that up. Wipe it up now so we don't have to later. Alright, we got some pomegranate juice, vanilla, almond milk. Okay, we're gonna do the honey next. 2 tablespoons of honey. Looks like we're almost out of this honey here. Let's do that crack of sea salt for electrolytes. What was the last ingredient here? Our milk. Our milk. Some ASMR for you? Not really. Okay, we are gonna fill it up to right there. Perfect. Oh, that is an interesting color. Actually kind of looks like a Valentine's Day smoothie. And the last ingredient is 2 ice cubes. You know what I also feel like would be really good in here? I don't know if we should do it. Oh, I don't know. Okay, wait. I really do feel like this would be really good in this recipe, but it would totally change the taste, and I don't know what this recipe would taste like. So we might have to make a round 2 of this. Banana. Frozen banana. Like, you know how you have those little banana chips, the dehydrated banana, and you could put those in trail mix? I feel like it suits the vibe. I might just go with my gut and say, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna blend this up, try it first, and then I'm just gonna blend some banana in it so that at least we tried it without it. Okay, so let's go blend it up. Okay, so since we are going to add extra to it, because I just have a great sense that banana would really make or break this smoothie, and in make or break I mean make. We're gonna try it without the fancy cup, just like itself. Okay, let's give it a shot. It smells great. It smells like peanut butter and jelly, actually. Oh wow. First reaction. Okay, so you can see it's settling at the bottom. This is a very interesting texture smoothie. You can see I blended it for quite a while too to get all the nuts and everything, but yeah, the texture is very interesting because you can taste like nuts, like tiny, finely chopped nuts, like very finely. Like, I don't love it. In a way, it kind of tastes like peanut butter and jelly sandwich, which I don't like, but I will give it credit. It tastes like trail mix. So let's do the Samy Bee version. I'm gonna pop a couple frozen banana slices in here, and then we're gonna blend that up. Another reason why it would be great to blend banana in here is because it gives it a little bit more of a creamy texture, whereas before it was very watery with like the grit of sand because of the nuts. Now I have a very good blender. This already you can see is a little bit less drippy, and I like that. So maybe this will taste better. I actually kind of enjoy this whole experimenting with you as we go. It's not like I've tried these recipes before and I'm like, well, actually sometimes I do. Sometimes there are recipes I tried before I share them with you, but this one is one we experiment as we go, and you can kind of see my thought process, because I do believe I am great in the kitchen. We got our smoothie glass, and we got our smoothie, and we got our flour in the way. Oh, that's a beautiful little color. That looks actually very similar to the photo, other than mine might be a little bit more pink, probably because I didn't do 3 tablespoons of the pomegranate juice. There's the picture. There's mine. Very similar. All right. Now for the taste test. I am actually going to garnish with just a few very pretty little pumpkin seeds on the top, just for the photo. Garnishing is something that really elevates a food. Don't ever underestimate garnishing. Are you ready to taste test the banana portion? Okay, let's go, you guys. I'm chewing the garnish, not chewing the smoothie. I needed to get a sip without that. Okay, here are my thoughts. It is better with banana. It makes it a little bit more creamier, so you kind of get less of that gritty nut texture. Like I said, the nut was very finely ground up, but almost like to the point of like sand. But because it's fresh, the nuts are still hard, and it just, if you're a texture kind of person, I'm not sure if you're gonna like this one. To be honest, I'm not gonna make this one again because I don't really like sweets, and this is very peanut butter jelly kind of vibe. If that's something you like, I'm sure you will love this. If you like trail mix, I'm sure you will love this. If you don't like trail mix but you eat it because you know it's good for you, maybe you're on a hike and you want to bring a smoothie with you, like in a water bottle or something, instead of like snacking on physical snacks, I would honestly say that this is a great option, so you could just down your snacks instead of eating the almond. Actually, I know people who have sensitivity to nuts, but they still love the taste of nuts. So this is a great way to get nuts and their health benefits and their antioxidants and all of their fun nutrients into your body. You can blend them up. So if you can't chew nuts, like a lot of people, this is a great way to get those types of foods into your body. Almonds, very hard to chew sometimes, pumpkin seeds. So I think that there are definitely people that would benefit from this smoothie. I can chew nuts. I'd probably rather have trail mix, but this was really fun to try. I do love trying different things, because what if I loved it? You know, I would have probably never thought to do this, or maybe not, I don't know, but yeah, it is not my favorite, but again, this might be someone's favorite, right? It's in a cookbook. I don't remember if I know I didn't show it to you in the beginning, but we are again using the Ninja NutriBlender recipe book that came with it. So we have actually I can't talk today. We have actually officially made all the shakes in this cookbook so far. We made top of the morning, the bright side mocha shake, and trail mix in a glass. The next category, ooh, spoiler alert, is smoothies, and this is the recipe we'll be making next time on a Food Friday coming near you. So that's exciting to kind of go through this recipe book with you guys and try different healthy meals. Like, I'm getting the vibe that they want this to be a very healthy go-to option. But I would have to say, out of my favorites that we've tried so far on this smoothie journey, was the top of the morning. Definitely my favorite. I would do less banana though, make it a little more sour, because that's what I like. Then the bright side mocha shake would be coming in number 2, and then number 3, this. It's too sweet for me. But next week we have coconut. Well, I don't think it'll be next week. But a couple Food Fridays from now, we will be doing the coconut mango energy aid, like Gatorade probably, but homemade. So, all right, sounds interesting. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you subscribe. It means so much to me to see you guys wanting to support my channel, and it helps me out because I can get one step closer to making money on this. Woo! I love you guys so much. Make sure you like this video. Comment, will you try this? Or will you not try this? Let me know. I love you, and I'll see you next Food Friday. Bye, guys.